Here we go, getting some chicken food, rabbit food. The morning starts. This is our stables. Come to feed the chookies. Here's the chookies. Hello, chookie. There's one of our rabbits. Hello. There's our rooster. Hey, rooster. And there's all that noise, all that. Here we are. So they're free and loose. They're usually kept in cages, rabbits, but I thought, nah, I'll keep them loose in the stables at least. That way they're free to roam until the day comes when we have them with our polenta. Christmas time, we'll be having one, at least one. Alright, I'm going to go to feed now, get some more of the food, and feed him up. Oh, we left the thing outside. What are you on about, mate? What are you on about? Huh? Oh, food's coming, food's coming. Oh. The food's coming. Yes, girls. We're here. We're here, girlies. Mix it all in. Eh? You're all fuss pots. You're all fuss pots. Oh. Oh, come on. What are you screaming about? What are you bubbling about? Eh? Oh, very noisy, very noisy. He's the first one to go. Turkey time. We're not American, but Thanksgiving is looking good. There we go. Mix it all up. There we go. This is the type of food they eat. It's like a mixture of corn, grass, pellets. They eat it lots. So put that in there. All we need now is eggs. This is for the fussy chickens. Come on, girls, watch out. And this is, we give a nice scoop food for the sheep. And see, here they are. Little bunnies are all eating. Oh, eating. Yummy. It's funny because when they first started out together here, they all got scared and they were all singles, and now you can see how they're forming a structure and a bond with their together. You know, each one has its own little couples, and haven't seen many babies, so yet to see what happens here. I put my food. This is the grain box. So a good idea is to use an old freezer. That way it keeps Keeps the rats from getting in there. Keeps the rats from getting in, basically, and so they don't need it. I mean, we're going away for a couple of days, so I fill up these containers, and they will keep the rabbits going. And there's a big 20-litre water container there, which will do for a few days. But apart from that, this is everyday life. Let's go and see the sheep. Let's go and see the sheepy. Sheepy. Time to see the sheep. This is our little Borgata here. The sheep's in a stable, a friend's stable. So we'll go and feed it some of this fiocco, as we call it in Italian, or a mixture of maize and corn, it's the same as corn. Some pellets, grass pellets, all sorts of little peas, some peas. So here's down here. There's amazing old buildings. Absolutely amazing. You can hear the little bell. Hello, sheepy. Bah, bah, bah. Where are you, sheepy? It's a little bit dark in there, but it's got a window. It's just winter. We have to keep them in during winter, because or else they'll freeze. Not freeze, but the snow will bury them, and then they can't get to the grass. So winter time, they all come in, and we feed them in the stables. Although my little sheepy's name is Natale, means Christmas, so maybe it'll be Christmas dinner. We'll be lamb for Christmas. But it's lived a good life. So in the fields all summer and spring. Now it's coming close to that time of year when old doors. Say hello. Say hello, Natale. Hello. I don't know if you can see him. It's pretty dark in here. Well, it's dark for the camera. It's not dark for us. There you go, Natale. Yeah. There you go. There you go, Natale. He's got his hay. Water's there. Okay, bye. See you later on. There we go. Yeah, so hello. Che hai fatto? This is their neighbour named Italo. He's showing me his stables. Happy man. He's feeding his animals now. He's got a few animals himself there. Oh, there's the goats. Le capre. Vai, fila! My dog's got to go. Oh wow. There's his little goats in for the winter as well. Ciao Italo, come va? Ciao.
Ciao. Ah, fai lì?
Sì, faccio il film.
Ma vai.
Bravo, ma l'hai fatto adesso i muri, non c'erano avanti ieri.
È Marco che l'ha fatto.
Ah, bravo.
No, ma Marco si è fatto male ieri.
Si è fatto male?
L'occhio.
Ma che hai fatto?
Un ramo.
Ah, mamma mia.
Esatto,
Mamma mia. Com'è allora?
al pronto soccorso.
Sai? E che ci hanno fatto qualcosa?
No, ieri sera è andata dal suo medico e gli ha dato una pommata. Questa mattina è andato giù perché il dottore non c'era pulire l'occhio, quello rivolti,
sì.
poi capì.
His son, he does gardening as well, and he poked himself with a branch. Ma queste qua sono da mungere? No.
No.
Questa è incinta però.
Sì, tutte sono incinte.
Ah, tutti sono incinti, they're all pregnant.
No, questa primavera fanno tutte.
Oh, mamma mia. Ma dove le tieni normali?
Due proprio.
Ah, sì, sì.
Erano all'aus.
All these goats are all pregnant and they're due in springtime. Oh, the light is in my way. So they're all due springtime. They're eating. There you go. Hello. Hello.
È bella, né?
È bellissimo. Ma sono bambini piccoli questi.
Sì, sì.
Sono tutti incinti però.
No, quella lì no.
No,
Ma le altre due sì, le altre
sì.
due sono incinte.
Buono.
Ma adesso li tutti tanza,
Sì, sì. Bello.
Sai, i due
Very
buoni.
good, ok. Alright, ciao, ci vediamo Italo.
Ciao, guarda. Fatto le mura.
Ciao, Kang. And that was our local mountaineer. He has lots and lots of animals, cows, sheep, goats. And he's just feeding them. And as he said, they're all pregnant. So by spring, he'll have a lot of goats, baby goats, or kids as they call them. So all exciting here at the Borgata. No, it's a tough life. Someone's got to do it. But as a farmer, simple life is great if you have stuff for yourself. But if you have to be a farmer, it's a full-time job. You couldn't go anywhere. You've got so many animals to look after. You just really don't have much time for yourself. But you've got to love it. We love it. As I said to my wife, I hope the power goes out. Once the power goes out, I'm in full gear. I don't have to worry about going anywhere. It's all about survival. And the way the world's going, technique. Stick by us. I'll show you some techniques to be able to survive a simple life. You know, that's what we left Australia for, and we enjoy it. We love it. And as a lot of the investors are saying, buy yourself a tractor. It's a better investment than a Mercedes. Until the next episode of the Simple Village Life. Bye for now. Say bye, mate. Say bye. Say bye.